people of Earth. This is Eddie from Edwardicus Productions. Yeah, another one. Anyway, I got some things on my chest. Gotta get these things off my chest. They've been bugging me recently. Things like... Actually, I got a list here somewhere. Things like... Why is there a mini pretzel? I mean, I know there's the really big pretzel, but why make the mini pretzel so small? And why make it so crunchy? When I bite into a pretzel, I want it to feel soft, not crunchy. Do you know what I mean? Because I don't think you know what I mean. Some of you know what I mean. I mean, did they just not make it? What? I'm sorry, let me collect my thoughts. Yeah, no. I don't see any reason for there to be a mini pretzel. I mean, portability? No. Can't see it. I mean, I guess some people like a crunchy pretzel. I do not like a crunchy pretzel. But are their mouths just not big enough? Yeah. My mouth's plenty big for a regular pretzel, so that's what I'm going to stick to. Alright, next. Why are there so many flavors of ice cream? I mean, you got your vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. To me, that's all you should need. Just those 3 flavors. That's all that should be said. That's it. My favorite type of ice cream. Personally, I'm a chocolate man. But no, on a more serious note, why can't I be famous? Why can't everyone in the world just be a little famous? I actually get an A on my report card. I should be famous. The brain fart. Yeah. The brain fart. It's when you can't really... I mean, no. I'm not going to go into describing it, because I know you really don't care. But why the brain fart? Why not the brain poof? I mean, just... You got a bunch of things, just on and on. The brain fart. What? Why would they call it a brain fart? I mean, does your brain... No, it doesn't actually fart. No, I'm sorry. I mean, no. No, it's not possible. Sorry, ladies, but why do you get so emotional over things? You broke up with me. I'm sorry, I had to. But why? I've only known you for like 3 days, and you're getting so emotional over nothing. But why did you break up with me? Chick, I'm not even going out with you. Why are you saying this right now? Just tell me why. Why do they have to be so emotional? Why don't guys get emotional? Could it be because we don't care? Because I really think it's because we don't care. Yeah, we really just don't care at all. Nope, not one bit. Why no more nap time? No more nap time. Oh my god. I mean, nap time was the biggest thing in kindergarten. You could just... all day long in kindergarten, I mean, you would have time from here to time from there. That would be your nap time. And during nap time, you could just sleep during the school. I mean, I'm not being offensive to any kindergartners out there. Sorry, kindergartners. But honestly, kids in high school really need naps more than kids in elementary school and preschool. Take off my glasses there. Now, come on. So, there really should be more nap time. And bring nap time back to high school, please, for the love of God, we need it. And I mean, if we do take a nap, it's during, like, biology or something, when we're snoozing on our textbook, when we should be taking notes. Johnny, wake up! Huh? Oh. Oh, Lord, how is napping? Well, napping is for kindergartners. Now, take your notes. That's how it works. Nowadays. We get in trouble for sleeping. But while all those kindergartners snoozing in class, we have to go on and take notes. Notes. And, on a finishing note, why do I go on ranting? Well, I'll tell you the truth. It's because I feel like I don't really get to express it much around my friends and stuff. So, I'm one of those people that just go on YouTube and rant all the time. Well, actually, this is my only first rant. But you get it, don't you? Yeah. So, I hope you enjoyed this rant. By me, Edwardicus. You know the one. That was nice. Anyway, subscribe, comment, rate. Yeah, you just click all these buttons around me, around this box area. See you guys later.